Kane is in the building.
G'day guys, today I've got a few tips on how to improve the positioning of the bottom of your squat. Let's have a look and see how it's done. Okay, so for me, this one normally fits in somewhere between all the individual mobilization and flexibility work that you might do around your ankles, your hips, your thoracic, those sort of areas. And then just before we even think about, putting the bar on the back or, getting into the workout itself, I'll usually just grab something and really pull myself down and into that position. And I find it really helps to, open up that exact positioning that you're looking for, whether it be a front or a back squat. I'm definitely keeping the weight on my heels. I'm keeping my knees out. I'm trying to get that bum down towards the floor and in towards the heels, so I'm nice and upright, and just holding that position and sort of activating and releasing. Then what I want to do is I want to move over and I want to try and replicate that in a unassisted position. So here I might work a little bit more on my adductors, just pushing the knees out, but primarily I'm just trying to perfect that position that I've now created with all of the other mobilization and assisted squat positioning work that I did prior. And then from there, it's about just getting into the workout and see how it feels and if I've got any restrictions that I need to work on further.